In example 2b, we need to determine whether there is a correlation between the numbers of fires and the acres that were burned. Then we need to figure out if the data support the argument that as loggers remove more trees, the risk of fire decreases because the forests are less dense. The first step is to enter the data into your calculator and find the scatter plot. Please pause here while you do that. Then you can check your scatter plot with the scatter plot in the solution. So the scatter plot is indicating very little linear correlation. Now use your calculator to find R. Again, you can pause here while you do that. You should find that R is equal to 0.517. Use table A6, column alpha equals 0.05, and n is equal to 11 to find the critical values. You should find that the critical values are equal to plus or minus 0.602. Now let's compare the absolute value of R to the absolute value of the critical values. The absolute value of 0.517 is 0.517. The absolute value of plus or minus 0.602 is 0.602. So the absolute value of R is less than the absolute value of the critical values. Whenever that happens, that means that there is not significant linear correlation. Now one more question. Does the data support the argument that as loggers remove more trees, the risk of fires decrease because the forests are less dense? We have to answer no to that question for two reasons. First of all, there is no logging information given. And secondly, even if there was a correlation, that would not imply causality.